So, our final full day on the river today. We should get into a destination tomorrow, Tavinga. I just had a shower. You don't really get particularly clean after the showers because basically this is the water you shower in, which is the river water. So even though it gets the sweat off, still not very clean. And also if you do some washing, which I did earlier, some white t-shirts, they don't exactly stay white. They're a little sort of brownish colour to them. So when I go a little bit further on, first thing is to get some stuff laundered. A little village here, 5-6 ramshackle houses. Not really a lot of wildlife to see. We saw a couple of dolphins earlier, a little bit too far away for the camera, too fast. Loads of insects at night, but other than that it's pretty hidden. So shower water or toilet water, and at the back there, sort of fresh water. There's three big containers up on top of the ship, which are fresh water, and that comes down in this cooling plant, which cools it really, really nice and cold. But the river is still pretty immense. Varied trees and plants, and it's a botanist dream. I'll be happy to get back to civilization. Proper shower. But saying that, civilization, they have a TV here. This is Spanish, of course, or sorry, Portuguese. They have almost everybody's got their cell phones. And they also got coverage, the people who have SIM cards here on the internet. And there at the back, there's 3 water containers which after 6 days, so only half full now.
Yes, I'm on.